In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all your downloads on this Xiaomi. First of all, you need to locate an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. If you never used it before, you need to select Continue. Then click on Allow and tap on this gray switcher next to allow access to manage all files. Then click on Browse at the bottom in the middle and tap on Downloads category. So when I do that, as you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you wish to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!